similar figures today. And that's an important term in math, similar. This word similar means something. It doesn't mean just, well, it's kind of like it, like you would use it in English class. Similar actually means that you have two things that are the same shape. These are exactly the same shape, but they are different sizes. Okay? It means also that the sides, these two figures have what are called corresponding sides. No, I just forgot how to spell corresponding. There it is. Write down corresponding sides. These two figures have corresponding sides. That's what, and this is what that means. The bottom of this figure, the base, whatever number this is, corresponds to the base of the other figure. They are proportional. And so we could write a ratio of the little c is to the big C, as this little a is to the big A. It would look like this. Little c over big C equals the same as little a over big A. They correspond in the same way, kind of like if they were fractions. We've been working with proportions. So if this was 5 and 8, then this would be
10
and
16.
Okay?
You got it right.
You got it right.
Actually, we should reverse those numbers based on the drawing.
You got it right.
This should really be
I got it.
8 and 5. Because that's a smaller line.
Corresponding.
And this would be
Sounds like genius. I'm corresponding.
and okay, write those numbers down.
Got them wrong.
Alright? Now, when you have similar figures with corresponding sides, you can write different ratios that work. Okay? So, for example, you could write 5 over 10 equals 8 over 16. Right?
Or 8 over 16.
Or you could write 5 over 8 equals 10 over 16. Or you could write 8 over 10 equals 5 over 16. And as long as you compare the sides in the same order, like this little c is to big C in the same way that little a is to big A, or big A is to little a as big C is to little c, and as long as you write them in the proper order, you can solve a proportion like this. Okay? Brett?
Could you, like just a question, do you have to have a smaller number up top? Or could you do like 16 over 8? Or
Like on the.
like
Yeah,
on the
you can write it as a top-heavy fraction.
Yeah,
As long as you have.
Yep. You can write it as a top-heavy fraction.
So as long as when you get the numbers, you can just write like any fraction with them, pretty much.
Yep, yep. And so, let's do a problem together. So, let's say that we have two triangles that are similar, okay? And,
Those are not similar.
yes they are.
The one that's wider.
The bigger one is wider.
Yes, but it'll tell you that these two are similar,
Okay.
okay?
Kind of like
It'll tell you these two figures are similar, so you know that the sides correspond, okay? And one side is 9.1, and that corresponds to a side that is 13.6.
For 2016.
And another side is 8.3. And that corresponds to this side. That is n. Okay? And we need to find this n side.
Oh, I know.
So what we need to do is first write a proportion that sets up the numbers in the same order, or in the same way. So which sides correspond? It's the same side on the other figure.
9.1 and 13.6.
Right, so we want to write a proportion that shows that these two sides correspond. So write that as a fraction.
9.1 over 13.
Come on, Nate. If you start writing, you'll wake up. Daria, you got that down? 9.1 over 13.6. And this is an arrow that shows we're going to write these two sides as corresponding.
Okay.
Oh, and then 8.3 or in. Oh.
And then that equals
I did it. 8.3
this side
in.
It'll be,
2n.
it'll be 13.6 times 8.3.
Okay? And then we can solve it and find the missing side.
13.6 times
So, multiply across
1.
9.1n. Keep the equal sign in the middle. Find the cross products on this side. What is that? Anyone have that?
Oh, I got it.
No, don't let him.
I got it.
Okay,
No, we
do
don't.
that.
112.8.
0.8 W.
112.28.
Well, I said it first.
No, I
It's the color clear.
8,
But actually, it's
8.
12.5.
green.
Yeah.
112 and 88 hundredths,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then solve it.
9.1.
Divide by 9.1. Divide by 9.1. What is it?
12.5.
3956.
What is it?
12.5. It's like 11 numbers.
Alright, probably nearest 10.
5.9. I mean 12.5. 12.5.
Because it's 12.4.
Okay. Fight me, guys. Fight me, guys.
Oh.
Good. So, we're setting up a proportion that is similar, that because these are similar, we can write a proportion as, for the corresponding sides. Okay? And it's critical that you write them in the same order. So we can't write 9 is to 13.6 in the same way that n is to 8.3 because that's a different order.
And then 10 is
We have to compare them in the same order. Okay, repeat that. We have to compare them in the same order. Say it.
We have to compare them in the same order.
Good. Now, go to your assignment, page 305.
It's 305.
Okay.
306.
Page 305. You're going to have to do this later then, Roy. You're given two trapezoids that are similar in the first section.
Found my math book.
Number one. Two trapezoids that are similar. Roy, sit down. What are you doing? Don't do that. Sit down and pay attention. Follow along. Number one. So, find the indicated value of x. And we have to write proportions using the numbers given. Notice that if we're finding x, we can use the corresponding sides that are given. On the smaller trapezoid, the top side is 5 feet, and that's proportional to 6 feet.
What's our assignment gonna be?
So number 1, 5 feet goes to 6 feet. In the same way that, where would we put X?
X is on the bottom.
X goes to what?
X goes to
No, X goes to
Go
2 feet.
X goes to 2 feet, doesn't it? Yeah.
so two
And the
feet.
2 feet is on the same figure as the 5 feet. The 5-foot side and the 2-foot side are the same. And the 6-foot side and the X side are the same figures. So we have to write them in the same order.
5
Wait, let's skip what for.
12 divided
Now solve the proportion.
12 divided by 2.4. X equals 2.4 feet.
So set up the proportion.
What is it?
12 equals 5x. Divide both sides by 5 to solve the equation.
Oh, 2.4
And x equals 2.4.
feet.
Feet.
Yep, 2.4 feet. Good. Yep.
I said feet.
Thanks. Feet me.
Do number 2 and number 3 in the same way. Writing a proportion and solving. Then, in number 4, you're given 2 triangles. And I want you to solve and find y on the given triangle as well. Alright?
What's our
So do 2, 3, and 4 for Monday.